What is it doing, Sister Niffin?
It's raining.
Show is. Usually is. For the past few days.
Yes.
But it's fun. And we're walking, because that's what missionaries do. They walk.
Mm-hmm.
And they preach the gospel. It's fun. It is. It really is. Having a great time. Woo! Now we just need to not be hit by any cars.
Yes.
So, one at a time. Oh gosh! Very wet.
Oh, and there's a big truck
Big truck coming. Yep, okay, cool.
We are gonna get splashed.
Ah! Here it comes. Oh gosh.
Oh, that wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Okay.
That was bad.
Yes. Alrighty.
Well, here we are.
Yes.
I didn't do my hair today, and that was smart,
Very smart.
because if I had, where would we be? Well, back to the beginning, I suppose. It's just such a great time. These houses are cute. See? So, there's plus side.
Oh, and look, that cute little, like...
Oh, yeah. It's so cute and quaint. Man, I love the South. There's... Ah, yes, a car. Well, this concludes this installment of today's activities. Tune in next time for the thrilling edition.